Japanese tea ceremony experience, a taste of Japanese culture. The Japanese tea ceremony is a special tradition from Japan. It's more than just making tea. It's about culture and being polite. In this experience, a tea expert will show you how to do it. They have a special tea room for this. You learn the steps and manners for making tea the Japanese way. When you enter the room, it has soft mats on the floor and wooden things. They also have a garden nearby. The tea master picks pretty flowers and jewels that match the season. The most fun part is making tea yourself. You use a bowl, a whisk, and a scoop. You mix green tea powder with hot water to make a specialty. It's exciting to see the green bubbles. After that, the tea master gives you a sweet treat while you enjoy tea and the sweet. You can talk with them and learn more. Trying the Japanese tea ceremony helps you learn about Japan's special customs and culture. It's a calm and cultural experience that lets you enjoy Japanese hospitality and the taste of traditional tea. Thank you for watching the video. If you like this video, please give it a high rating and subscribe to the channel.